Did you know that the tallest volcano in our entire solar system isn't on Earth? It's on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons, and it's absolutely massive. This giant volcano is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and spreads over 600 kilometers wide. That's almost the size of a small country. Scientists believe it grew so huge because Mars has lower gravity and no moving tectonic plates like Earth. That means the lava kept building up in the same spot for millions of years. Imagine standing on top of it. You wouldn't even see the edges because it's so wide. Follow for more insane space facts.